Can you guys see me? Okay. Hey guys, it's Jaden again, back again with another video. I am not sure about this one. Yes, am going to be attempting to try again on that Pennywise voice. You guys obviously hated the last video. This is part 2 of it. I'm going to see if this is better. But I don't know if I'm looking at you guys during, So, let me just, give me a minute, guys. I'll think when I'm ready.
Don't forget to read.
I'm ready. No, I'm not. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Hi, Georgie. You look like a nice boy. I bet you a lot of friends. Where is he? I bet I get you. I'll get a balloon. Give a balloon to Georgie. Oh, hello, Pennywise. Dancing clown. Pennywise. Me, Georgie. Georgie. It's me, Pennywise. How are we on screen? Storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away. Can you smell this? It smells like peanuts. Cotton candy. Hot dogs.
Cinderella, Rapunzel, Ariel, Tiana, Elsa.
Popcorn. Is that your favorite?
Wait a minute.
It's mine too.
What is it? When the princesses are in that.
Mine too. You got to make pop. Pop, pop, pop. Couch your boat. You don't want to lose it, Georgie. Tail's gonna kill you. Take it.
Let me get my
Take
black.
it.
Here it is.
And that's all. Hope you like it. You know, it's okay. I'm not gonna get mad. Alright, guys. Bye.